Welcome to Friday Night Live. It's January, yep, I don't even know, January 20 something. It's Friday night and I am Dion Woods with the Turquoise, and we're going to have some fun tonight with some canvas art. We're also going to add in some little IOD transfers. So Q and I have a few things planned tonight. It involves this, it involves this, involves some of that stuff behind here on that shelf, and a game, because I like playing games.
Thank you.
So I pulled this
Thank you
rose.
very much.
Did you pull something out? You've got some flowers that you're going to use, right? And we're going to maybe apply them on our canvas.
I do. Okay. Yeah. So did you already tell them what we're doing?
Well, I just did. So
okay.
What we're going to do is we're going to transfer these flowers from IOD onto our canvases, and then we're going to kind of basically build the painting around it, basically, right, Q?
Right. So this one is the daisies, which this is my favorite flower in life.
I love it. Well, my favorite is a red rose.
There you go.
It's perfect.
Well, I accidentally shipped my roses out. Like, okay, so I reuse these tubes when I ship paintings, like prints. And so I thinking that I sent the print to the customer, and she ends up with those roses, and she goes, "That's not what I ordered." She goes, "This is not what I ordered." And I'm like, "What? What did I send you?" So she says these plasticky thingies because she's not a painter.
Okay, so while we get started on this, I was hoping, it just occurred to me that I've got this on a canvas and the transfer might not transfer very well because I don't really have like a solid surface, but I'm going to give it my best shot because I don't really want to like adjust the camera and everything right now. Like, we're a little bit late in the game. So I'm going to hope that works. You guys, this is the Redette 4-inch full color, and there are actually 4 of these on the transfer. And I just cut out one of the 4 that I want to use.
Yeah, here are mine. This is the first page.
Oh, okay. Oh, beautiful.
It's the whole page. Okay, these are really pretty. Okay, so are you female?
So yeah, you just have to ask me questions, and all I can say is yes or no. And you guys, if you think you know, you get to say it out as well. Am I female? Yes, I am.
I'm trying. Okay, let me pull the card. That might be easier.
Okay, I'm somebody else. Now guess. Go. No cheating.
Well, I didn't cheat before.
Well, you just in my head. Get out.
We're just really good friends. Okay. Are you male?
Yes.
Are you famous?
Yes.
Are you an actor?
Yes.
Do you have blue eyes?
Yes. Get out of my head.
Are you, let's see, are you a director?
Maybe.
Bradley Cooper.
My gosh! What are you doing to cheat?
No, I don't. I just know stuff like that.
But I haven't even talked to you about him before.
No, we did not talk about anybody. No one.
My gosh. Yes, you got it right. Bradley Cooper.
Yes. Okay. So, hold on. I'm trying. Oh, I know who I want to do.
Okay. I'm doing really good, I think. It's coming off. Okay.
Gosh, I hope I'm not denting this. Usually, y'all usually put a block of wood under this because it presses. You have to press so hard, and I don't want to bend my canvas.
Our plan is to apply some more flowers and put a vase on here and Just let the transfers be our base is what our plan is. And then of course love how the red looks on the turquoise. So I just have the little stem, which I'm not sure I even need the stem, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on here because I'm going to be putting a base over it anyway. But we'll go ahead and get it on here. And I'm just using that little tool that they give in each one of the deals. Thanks for your help with the game, you guys. That is hysterical. I did not think Lucille Ball.
Yes, like
Okay.
that's wild.
No, mine's actually on canvas. This is canvas. I put mermaid tail, and then I put golden ticket on it. And of course, it's got several. It's going to have several more layers. But I went ahead and put the rose transfer on here.
So here's my plan: is I'm gonna get all my flowers up here. Then I'm gonna paint my vase, like they're in it.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. And then I want to come back and us paint on the transfer also some.
Okay.
And then if you want to add more flowers, you of course can.
Yeah, I'm going to paint on
Right.
I'm going to paint on the transfer too, but I think I'm going to leave it. I don't think I want to use another transfer on mine. Yes, this will be a good time for me to grab some paint for my vase.
Yes, you grab paint,
Okay.
and I'm going to keep doing this, and then I'm going to watch. So I'm waiting on comments.
Okay.
So you guys tell me who we want Dion to guess.
Okay, I'm going to get Marquis and Gypsy Green and Bohemian Blue
Oh, these are good. Oh.
and you okay? And
I just stepped on bubble wrap, scared me to death.
oh goodness.
Oh, that's a good one.
What other colors should I get?
They're
I'll
good.
get some.
Okay, start guessing. Start guessing. I've decided.
Well, that was fast. Are we finger
I
painting?
know. Well, okay, I'm gonna wait just a minute longer.
Or you want to use brushes?
We
Are we-
can. I'm gonna use my palette knife. Yeah,
You're gonna use your palette knife?
I'm a palette knife, I think.
Well, I'll use brushes. I have some new ones.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna use my fan brush right now. Boop, boop, boop. Oh man, Hugh, you guys got me.
Oh, it's so good too.
Are you sure I know who he is?
Oh my heaven, yes.
Oh shoot. Oh my goodness. Is my name Ryan?
Okay, so I'm gonna tell you a story. Okay.
So
While you're looking,
while I'm looking
I
at,
need to tell.
okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop for just. Well, let me finish my daisies here. Okay. So, and if anybody's wondering what in the world I'm using here, this is the lid off of our DIY wax, and it is just easy to grip for me. It doesn't like poke in my hand, and it helps me get the air bubble. That's the trick to transfer, is to
Okay.
get a small air pocket right before you hit the transfer, okay? And it'll come on. It'll turn grayish, and that means that your transfer released. If it's still a bright color, it didn't release. But I'm okay if it doesn't completely release off of this. And it's better if you have a really hard surface too. So I have a board under my canvas.
So I am just applying more flowers over the transfer from IOD. So we're just playing a game tonight where you have to guess who I am. I'm thinking of somebody and she has to ask me questions, yes or no. And we've been a lot of different people. Okay. I think I need to kind of sit back and let it, and then I'm going to start on my vase. She back? Yep, y'all are still here. Y'all are awesome. You're still on. So Q wanted to do a vase next, so we'll just move on with that. I don't ever want my vases to look exactly perfect. I'm not worried about the symmetry whatsoever. I'm going to outline it with the golden ticket, and then I'm going to go get some black here in a minute. This base color is Mermaid Tail, and then I put golden ticket up at the top. I just want to use a base of golden ticket right here, and I'm going to kind of reshape that with some black. I just about whipped that golden ticket all over the phone. I love it. I know, right, Malia? Poor thing, you know she's frustrated. So I'm going to put a little bit of this bohemian blue over my golden ticket and just kind of mix it in there a little bit and give it a little bit of texture. She on? You guys can keep guessing if you want. You guys keep guessing. It's Mel. He's an actor. You guys can totally keep guessing. What did she say? Dagnabbit? Dadgummit? That's what she said. Dadgummit. Holy frijoles. I'm liking this a lot. I'm liking mixing the bohemian blue with the golden ticket. But I still need more flowers down here in front of the vase. Falling down. Nope, not Denzel. Falling down in front of it, but I need to let that dry. So I'm going to use a little bit of highlight with the golden ticket and clean my brush. Same. So you guys, I'm gonna have to walk away from this for a little bit. I need more flowers down in front, and of course fill in because it's real spacey. And I'll probably splatter some paint here and there, but this was just the IOD transfer. And I guess we're gonna let you guys go on. I'm gonna go eat my chocolate chip cookie. I'm gonna continue to drink some more hot tea, some elderberry syrup, some oregano oil, and just keep babying myself a little bit, a few more